Hello students, today we will learn the topic differentiation. This is not a new topic for you. You have already learned this in 11th standard. You know basic concepts of a differentiation. Let's recall it. Before that, tell me why should you learn derivatives just because of it is a part of syllabus or getting marks in the exam? Obviously not. Derivatives are not only in maths, it is also in other fields like science, engineering, physics, etc. Derivative is used to calculate the profit and loss in business. It is used to check the temperature variation. It is also used to determine speed or distance. The derivative is defined as the rate of change of one quantity with respect to another. In terms of functions, the rate of change of function is defined as dy by dx equals to f dash of x equals to y dash, where y equals to f of x. The derivative is often written use dy over dx. It means that the difference in y divided by the difference in x. In mathematical terms, the derivative of f of x with respect to x at x equals to a is given by f dash of a equals to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a upon h, where h is a small number. H tends to 0, it means that h is either less than 0 or h is greater than 0, but h is never equals to 0. A be any real number. A plus h and a both belong to the domain of a function f of x. F of a is the value of the function f of x at a point x equals to a. It is also a real number. In general, f dash of x equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. This is also known as the first principle of a derivative. If limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h exists, then the function is said to be differentiable, and this limit is known as a derivative of that function. The process of finding the derivative of a function f is known as a differentiation. Let's see derivatives of some standard functions. If y equals to f of x, then dy by dx equals to f dash of x. Here dash represents derivative. Derivative of y with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx. Derivative of sin x equals to cos x. d by dx sin x, that is derivative of sin x is cos x. Similarly, for the other trigonometric functions, derivative of cos x equals to minus sin x. Derivative of tan x equals to sec square x. Derivative of sec x equals to sec x into tan x. Derivative of cot x equals to minus cosec square x. Derivative of cosec x equals to minus cosec x into cot x. Here you can check all these derivatives. You can check derivative of trigonometric functions using first principle of a derivative. You have studied this, how to find derivative of a function using first principle of derivative in 11th standard. Now you have to just remember all this formula. Here you can see that the derivative of a trigonometric functions having initial letter c is negative and the rest all are positive. Derivatives of cos x, cot x and cosec x are negative. Derivative of log x equals to 1 by x. Derivative of x equals to 1. Derivative of k equals to 0, where k is a constant. K can be any real number. For example, derivative of minus 2 equals to 0. Derivative of 45 equals to 0. Derivative of 1 equals to 0. Derivative of tan 45 degree is also 0. because the value of tan 45 degree is 1 and 1 is a real number. Similarly, derivatives of sin 30 degree, sin 45 degree, cos 180 degree, tan 60 degree, cot 45 degree are 0 because they are real numbers. Derivative of x raised to n equals to n into x raised to n minus 1. My x raised to n, here x is a base and n is the index. N can be any real number. When base is a variable and index is a real number, then we can apply this formula, derivative of x raised to n. For example, x raised to 5. So here in x raised to 5, x is the base and 5 is the index. So according to this formula, its derivative is 5 into x raised to 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So its derivative is 5 into x raised to 4. Derivative of e raised to x equals to e raised to x, where e raised to x is an exponential function. Derivative of a raised to x equals to log a into a raised to x. A raised to x, in this form, a is a base and x is an index. A can be any real number. When base is real number and index is a variable, then we can apply this formula, derivative of a raised to x. For example, 10 raised to x. But derivative of 10 raised to x is log 10 into 10 raised to x. Derivative of root x equals to 1 upon 2 root x. Let's understand derivatives of a function with the help of an example. Given example is y equals to sine of cos x. Differentiate this with respect to x. That is, find derivative of sine of cos x with respect to x. We all must have seen surprise gift box, where another box inside the box, and so on. After finding, you get your gift in last little box. Going by this logic in present example, we keep on opening boxes after boxes until we finally get our gift, that is derivative of a function with respect to x. You can see here image of a box. Let's assume this as a sine function, that is outer box. Our gift is still far away because sine is a function of another function, that is cosine function in given example. If it is sin x only, then we can apply the standard formula directly, but it is a sine of cos x. So first find derivative of sine function, and derivative of sin x is cos x. Compare this formula with sine of cos x and apply same formula and replace x by cos x. Therefore, derivative of sine of cos x is cos of cos x. Now you can see another box inside. Let's assume this as a cosine function. Since cos x is a function of x, so here we finally get our gift. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Hence, final answer is dy by dx equals to cos of cos x into minus sin x. It can also be written as minus sin x into cos of cos x. Let us study derivatives of a functions of another function. Differentiate tan of cosec x with respect to x. Let us assume y be the given function tan of cosec x. Here we have to differentiate the given function with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx. So dy by dx equals to d by dx tan of cosec x, that is derivative of tan of cosec x. Here given function is tan of cosec x. It is a function of another function. As I explained in the earlier example, if it is tan x only, then we can write its derivative directly. but it is tan of cosec x. So first write derivative of a tangent function, after that cosec. Derivative of tan x is a sec square x according to the standard formula. If we compare this formula with the given function tan of cosec x, you can see that there is a x in the formula in the place of a cosec x. So apply same formula and replace x by cosec x. So dy by dx equals to sec square of cosec x into derivative of cosec x. Here we have to write formula derivative of tan x equals to sec square x as a reason. Now sec square of cosec x will remain as it is, and we have to apply derivative of cosec x. So dy by dx equals to sec square of cosec x into derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x according to the formula. Now again write that formula as a reason for this step. Hence derivative of y with respect to x is sec square of cosec x into minus cosec x into cot x. Let's see one more example. Find derivative of log of cos x. Let us assume y be the given function log of cos x. Differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So dy by dx equals to derivative of log of cos x. Log of cos x is a composition of two different functions. One is logarithmic function and other is cosine function. As I explained in the earlier example, if it is log x only or cos x, then we can write its derivative directly with the help of standard formula. But it is log of cos x. It is a function of another function. So first we have to write derivative of logarithmic function and after that cosine function. We have a formula derivative of log x equals to 1 upon x. Comparing this formula with log of cos x, you can see there is x in the formula in the place of cos x. So apply same formula and replace x by cos x. So derivative of log of cos x is 1 upon cos x into derivative of cos x. 1 upon cos x will remain as it is. Now apply the formula of derivative of cos x. We know that derivative of cos x is minus sin x according to the standard formula. So it can be written as 1 upon cos x into minus sin x. Hence dy by dx equals to minus sin x upon cos x. Sin x upon cos x is tan x. So dy by dx equals to minus tan x. Next problem. Find dy by dx for f of x equals to cot 2x. That is, we have to differentiate cot of 2x with respect to x. Let y equals to cot of 2x. This is same as the earlier problem. It is also function of another function. So first write derivative of cotangent, after that derivative of 2x. So dy by dx equals to derivative of cot of 2x. We have a formula derivative of cot x equals to minus cosec square x. Now compare this formula with cot of 2x. There is x instead of 2x. So use this formula and write 2x instead of x. So derivative of cot of 2x is minus cosec square of 2x into derivative of 2x. Minus cosec square 2x will remain as it is. And apply the formula of derivative of 2x. But here 2 is a real number, that is a constant. So keep it separately. So derivative of 2x can be written as 2 into derivative of x. We have a formula derivative of x is 1. So dy by dx is minus cosec square of 2x into 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2, so it can be written as minus 2 into cosec square of 2x. Hence dy by dx equals to minus 2 into cosec square of 2x. Students, I hope you understood how to find derivative of a function, so solve similar type of problems at home. If you have any doubts, then you are free to ask. You can contact me on mobile number or email which is given. Keep watching the video. Stay home and stay safe. See you in the next video.